Hi everyone! Welcome again to Pearly Am's Vlog. Samahan nyo kami sa aming simpleng buhay probinsya dito sa Germany. Yeah, Max to back. So I will go out first and put the bike outside. You wait here, okay? I will put it first outside.
Das ist so laut. Der Bubel. What?
Warum bist du da? Why are you hiding there? It's so cold. Let's go. So, come right. Oh. Hello? Let's go. Cold? So, let's go na at sobrang lamig. Pero, hindi na masyadong madilim. Sobrang lamig ng aking kamay, para siyang na-frozen. Parang nagka-frostbite. So cold. Nandito na pala kami sa kindergarten. On, it's cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's cold. Yeah, there's light here. Iniwan na ako ng bata. Naihatid ko na si Ethan sa kindergarten. So, now, babalik na naman tayo sa bahay. We need to drive 20 to 25 minutes. Minsan, 25 minutes kapag hindi mabilis yung takbo ng bike dahil paakyat tayo. So, ayan, sobrang lamig. Guys, sobrang gandang spot ito dito. Ayan, nasa field tayo. And every time umuwi ako sa bahay, nagsa-sunrise. So, dito ko inaabangan yung sunrise dahil sobrang ganda ng sunrise since nasa taas kami. Talagang maa-appreciate mo yung ganda niya dahil sobrang lapad ng field dito and then field din doon sa kabila. Ito yung dinadaanan ko palagi araw-araw, field ng farmer ng aming kapitbahay. So, ayan, sunrise. It's already 8 pero ngayon pa lumabas yung araw. And ayan, sobrang lawak. Dahil sobrang lamig ngayon, gagawa tayo ng lemon ginger tea. Iinom tayo ng tsaa. Put some curcuma and honey. Napakasarap nito, very healthy tea. Maganda siyang inumin kapag wala pang laman ang iyong tiyan every morning. And sobrang lamig sa labas. So guys, 12:00 na and it's time na kunin natin si Ethan. Medyo na-busy ako kanina. Wala na akong nagawa. At sobrang lamig. Nag-edit ako ng video ngayon. Let's go. Andyan na yung aking bike. And kukunin na natin si Ethan. Ganito tayo dahil sobrang lamig pa din ngayon kahit mayroon ng araw. Ethan? Hello. So cold, no? Immer so kalt. Oh. On, what are you doing heute in the kindergarten? What did you do today in the kindergarten? Nakarating na kami sa bahay. Kaso yung bata nakatulog. Ayan. Schatzi. Schlafen wir weiter zu Hause? Ui. Ja. Alles gut. Du bist schläfrig? Du bist müde? Wow. Pagod na pagod siya. Yan oh. Inaantok pa yung bata. So what are you doing today?
I cooking Hungary goulash.
Hungary.
Yeah.
Because I'm hungry.
Not because you're hungry, it's a country.
Hungary.
It's
So,
with
gagawa siya ng-
onions, garlic, paprika, bell pepper for you, and tomato paste, and of course, meat.
Gagawa siya ng German
And red
food
wine.
for today. So this is Butterschmalz or butter. What is it, Schatz?
It's just a pure butter fat.
Pure butter fat.
You're melting butter and getting out just the fat.
So, ang gagamitin pala is may mga mabibili sa grocery na goulash na karne.
It's from the butt of the chicken when you of the pork. It's from
Yeah.
the butt of the pork, but it's more harder meat. That's why you cook it normally long.
Yeah, so it's more harder meat. Yung mga special na ano talaga siya. Special sa mga part
Can you
na
put it inside?
ano na? Special na mga part sa beef. Put the garlic and onion. First, garlic and onion.
No.
Hala! So, pork, 500 grams.
So why not onion and garlic? Because the onion has a lot of juice,
Yeah.
and you want to roast the
Then
meat.
eat the beef, 500 grams.
Pork is cheaper, but beef gives a better flavor.
We also be needing wine, cooking wine,
Red wine.
red wine. Nilagay na niya pala yung onion and garlic. I thought you need to make it still brown.
Yeah, it already don't work because the juice of the garlic is in the oil, and it's okay.
That's salt, pepper,
So, ito na yung itsura niya. Para siyang kaldereta sa atin, pero walang carrots, no patatas. Why did you put it back there?
Too much in the bowl, I cannot carry it.
Weil das ungarische Gulasch ist ja
Na, ich sag mal so, ich hab diese Paprika scharf ein bisschen mit reingemacht.
Sila ka.
Hauptsächlich habe ich aber Paprika Edelsüßpulver und Paprika Räucherpaprika.
Die machen ja richtig Sambaole.
Die machen da richtig scharf ran, ja. Ganz mild, oder?
Die Zwiebeln werden die kuttert.
Kuttert.
Dann sind die
Lecker?
Lecker.
Hindi ba?
Surround.
Sarap.
Genau.
Guys, grabe. Sobrang dami ng snow. Tingnan nyo naman yan si asawa, oh. Tapos, nawala pa yung aming pangpala ng snow. Yung sasakyan, di na makita. Grabe. Yung snow. Und? Oh, sie gefunden. Ich denke da auch da. Grabe ang snow, Schatz. So viel. How? Schön für Schneeschlitten.
Schön Fischlitten.
Ja, aber nicht schön, wenn going to work.
Nicht. Work ist.
So,
Hier aufstellen. Including me.
ayan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Galit na yan siya dahil hindi siya makapunta sa trabaho. Sobrang ng snow. Kapal. Habe ich doch gesagt, 20 bis 30. 20 bis 30 Zentimeter.
Ja, sieht man doch.
Tingnan nyo, ganito kakapal yung snow. Yeah, 20 bis 30. Yeah. 34. Punta daw sa harapan si asawa. Kuy, may niguti. Hala! Iskanish! Puno ng snow yung daanan. Hindi ako malubong ko. Ayan, oh. Napuno ng snow. Hindi talaga makadaan dito. Kaya puno talaga ng snow. Saan ba ako dadaan? Basa na ako. Nabasa na yung aking sapatos. Hala! It's really difficult to drive here. Oh yeah. Busy ang mga tao sa pagpala, yung mga sasakyan. Delikado naman yan sa pag-drive. Ganito kahaba yung snow, oh. Ich bin schon so nass. You forgot? Yeah, daming snow. And I think we need to buy 2 shots. So I can help you. Yeah. And I open the window, everything is going down.
Hab ich doch gesagt, don't open the window.
I still need to clean. Because I wanted to see. I still need to clean the window before I can change. Yung ibang kapitbahay din namin, nagpapala din sila. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
But the snow is really like pulverized because
Gut für Schneemann.
good for Schneemann.
Yeah.
Hindi pa rin tapos. I can put it here.
Mhm.
It's this. Hello, this. I shallow
Hmm.
because it's so fine.
You want to make halo halo? I think we still have all ingredients.
Do you think it's clean? Because
It's okay.
it's a lot.
The fresh is clean. When you get it from the top, make it from our garden.
Top, like this.
Yeah.
It's really white and clean. But it's from the old operation. Uy, fresh. It's
Hmm?
nor my hand is so cold.
Why you don't wear your hand glove?
Yeah.
Just you in the snow?
Hello. Hello?
You want to fight? You want to fight?
Nilabayan niya ako ng snow. Hindi tayo papayag na. Ay, shots, it's really easy.
Der gute Schnee, deswegen kann man damit ganz gut. Deswegen kannst du damit ganz gut Schneemann machen.
Follow his step. Ah, so much snow. Ah, da. Da lang. Au. I slide.
Vorsichtig,
Uy. Schon rein.
vorsichtig.
Uy, was ist das?
Fahrrad.
Kind. When I go out, I was wondering warum is so why it's so big hugel here. Naguluhan na si Siri. You're like a rabbit, Siri. Yeah. You cannot do it. Fine. Hala. Hindi na makita kasi Siri. Saan ka dadaan yan? Gumising na pala si Ethan. Hindi kami makakapunta sa kindergarten dahil ang haba nga na snow, hindi nga nakapunta sa trabaho si asawa. Ngayon mag-ano kami, sled. Yan yung bata. Und? Lauf! Yeah, your trampoline is full of snow. Yeah. You can even... Why is everything full of snow? Hmm? Ito yun yung nangyari sa garden. Grabe, puti lahat. Oy! 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 Everything is full of snow. Machen wir jetzt Schneemann oder noch nicht?
Da drin ist Eis.
Ja, da drin ist Eis und deine Pala ist auch. You can get your Pala. So viel Schnee, ne?
Eis kleben sie.
Mhm. Oi. Armer Vogel.
Oh, my shoe.
Where is your shoes? Hanap na sa kanyang sapatos. Nawala na yung kanyang sapatos. Tabunan na ng snow. Taga-tuhod ang snow. Nalulungkot si Ethan dahil yung trampoline niya puno ng snow. Ha? Wow! Aya! Salat, anak! Oh! Salat, careful!
Oh,
Trampoline snow! Warum? The snow is heavy.
Oh, God.
Maybe you will play the snow unten, anak, nicht da. The snow is so heavy.
Oh, oh.
Ayaw talaga niyo paano ni Ethan, oh. Bigat pa naman yung snow. Mabigat yung snow, anak. Yung bata, nabaon na si snow. Hindi na makatayo. We need to dry it.
What?
We need to dry it. We need to dry it.
It's
Because
coming.
you can stand. Uy.
Oh.
So viel Schnee. Und we cannot use the Schlitten. No, 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 no. It's a lot of ice, no? Oh, your hand is full of ice?
Oh,
Yeah, it's okay.
car.
Kalk? Uy. Nicht aufgeschlagen, ne? Nur ich nie. Hä?
Schneeball gemacht.
Sehr schön. Sehr schön.
Guck, ein Schneeball.
Wow.
Geht runter.
Hey! That is so big! You need to make it more smaller.
Nein, nicht wollen. Wir machen einen Schneeball.
Hey, dann brauchen wir noch einen Kopf.
Smaller ball. Papa is so good in making snowball.
Ich mache doch klein.
Genau, machst du noch weiter Schneeball bauen. Guck mal, wir brauchen noch einen Kopf für unseren Schneemann.
Aber die brauchen
Ja, genau, die brauchen wir auch noch.
wir brauchen Karottenmaße.
Wir brauchen kleine Äste. Macht ihr mal bitte einen Kopf. Ich hol Äste für die Anna.
Karotten.
Karotten.
Warte mal. Dann macht man hier ein Loch. Kommst du da ran?
Kann nicht.
Papa hebt dich hoch. Vorsichtig rein. Wie denn? Guck mal.
Ein bisschen keine
Kleiner?
neck because I put a lot of ice.
Ah, sehr gut, Ethan. Guck mal, da fehlt noch ein Kopf.
Ich habe einen Schneeball dort gefunden.
So, ein großer Schneeball.